Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Let's do adverbs now. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word or phrase that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. There is one simple tip that you can follow is that adverbs basically end in ly. For example, quickly, beautifully, lazily, extravagantly, strangely. Let's do few examples where we can identify the adverbs. I sing loudly. Here, sing is a verb and loudly is our adverb. What does loudly do to the verb? It tells us how does the person sing. How does the person sing? Loudly. So it modifies the verb. Let's do another example. The girl speaks fluently. Here, our verb is speaks. And fluently is our adverb because it gives us additional information about the verb speaks. How does the person speak? Fluently. So this becomes our adverb. Let's do another example. She waited patiently. Here, waited is our verb and patiently is our adverb because it gives us additional information about the verb waited. How did the person wait? Patiently.